engine bay is good here. No issues down in here. It's all solid up through the top. You get some issues up in this. Even the bottom side of the hood. Pretty decent there. You do have this area up here. You got some of that. That could really use a little bit of metal work. Body's pretty decent overall. You got this is all solid. That's metal. Crack in the glass. You got going to be picky. There's some small issues up in that area across the top. Overall roof's in good shape. You can see that center area that a lot of times has the problems. Corner is good. There's a little bit of rot underneath there. Door's good. Area right on here is good and solid. Door's good on the inside. Needs new window glass. Here, that's broken on this side. Could definitely use a new battery. Good shape. You've got this is solid along here. Up underneath here, you can see the frame, shackles and everything right there. Frame's in good shape overall. You can see up in there. The wood's in decent shape too. But all that's a good solid truck. This corner was done wrong. So you got some rot in there. If it was mine, I'd probably either glass it in or do something on that rear quarter. Need something. Get nice and solid there. And the majority of this looks like it's been this way for a while, so it doesn't really look like anything's being hidden, which is, there's some, see up in there or not, just underneath the door. That's probably the worst area. And all that just looks solid. Surface rust on areas.